Hi, this video is going to be on the context of Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet was written in the 16th century and the monarch at this time was Queen Elizabeth I. So this was also considered to be a golden age of culture, and of course Shakespeare would have contributed greatly to this, and Elizabeth I was even a patron to Shakespeare, which is someone who supports someone else financially. Also, it's important to note that Queen Elizabeth I was a Protestant, and at the time many members of society viewed Catholics with suspicion because they thought they may not be able to commit to being loyal to a Protestant queen, and of course in Elizabeth's society would have viewed the friar, the Catholic, in Romeo and Juliet with suspicion too. Another important thing to note about Elizabethan society is that they believed in the great chain of being, which is the belief that God created the social order we have. So when Romeo and Juliet disrupt this, it would have been seen to be disrespectful, and of course their fate reflects this. So when Shakespeare, of course, explores these Elizabethan issues, it's important to note that he set the plays in Verona rather than in England, so he could get away with exploring these issues without being accused of treason. Thanks for listening.